Hello students, Sai Ram. Today we will revise for our exam. Children, listen carefully. Now MCQ type questions, which is multiple choice questions, will be asked for your exam. Now before sitting for your exam, you are going to keep a rough page or a rough book with you. Okay, now why? Because when you are going to click on the correct option, okay, if you need to solve the question, you are going to do it in that rough page. Now what type of questions are going to come, how they are, let us see. Today we will revise chapter number 1, numbers beyond 999. Now in this chapter we have learnt number and number names, place value, face value, expanded form and short form, comparison of numbers, before, after and between numbers, ordering of numbers, forming 4-digit numbers, skip counting, more than, less than, rounding of numbers, even and odd numbers. Okay? Children, choose the correct option and tick. You will get a question and options will be given to you. You have to choose the correct option. Now first question, 6543-987. Select the correct sign. There are 3 options given to you: less than sign, greater than sign and equal to sign. Children, this question is related to your comparison of numbers, right? Now you have to compare both the numbers. In that we have a rule that whichever number has more number of digits is always greater, right? So 6543 is a 4-digit number and 987 is a 3-digit number. So obviously the 4-digit number is greater than the 3-digit number. So we have to put a greater than sign. Now, so children, you are going to tick. Like this, you are going to tick on the, or you are going to click on that correct option. Understood? Let us see more examples related to our chapter number 1. Question is 7890-7893. Again select the correct sign. Less than, greater than and equal to. Children, now look at both the digits. Both of them are 4-digit numbers. Okay, while comparison we have to go from left to right, that is from thousands place to ones place. In thousands place both the numbers are same, right? Here we have 7, here also we have 7. So we have to move towards hundreds place. Hundreds place also both the numbers are same, 8. So we have to move towards tens place. Now tens place also both the numbers are same. So what we will do? We will check the ones place. Now at ones place, on your left hand side you have 0. In your right hand side, here this number we have 3. Now which number is bigger, 0 or 3? 3 is greater, right? So 7893 is the greater number. But which sign will come? Here less than sign will come, because read the question. 7890 is less than. So your less than sign will come, less than 7893. Now children, in your exam you are not supposed to type anything. Only you have to click on the correct option. So when you click on that correct option, you can see there the color will change. So you have selected the correct option. Okay. Next question is, the short form of 3000 plus 200 plus 7 is what? Now this is expanded form is given to us. We have to write the short form. Let us revise the short form concept. To write the short form of an expanded number, we write the face value of each digit in the correct place. We have to write the face value. Now, here the question was 3000 plus 200 plus 7. Okay. Now, 3000. What is the face value here? Number 3. So 3 will come in thousands place. 200 plus 200. So in hundreds place we will write here 2. Now in tens place do we have anything? No. So we'll put here 0. And 7 is alone one digit number which will come in ones place. Children, so our answer is 3207. Now if you want to draw the table and if you want to make sure what your answer is, you can do it in that rough paper. Okay. After that you can just click on the correct answer. Our answer is 3207. Children, next is question number 4. The expanded form of 5623 is. Now your three options are again given. Okay. We will first revise what is expanded form and we will find the correct answer. Now expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digits. In our question, the short form is given, which is 5623. If we write the numbers, okay, as the sum of the place value, we will get our answer. Now 5 is in thousands place. So the place value is 5000. Plus 6 is in hundreds place. So it is 600 plus 2 is in tens place. So it will be 20 plus 3. So this is my correct option. 5000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 3. So you have to tick on the correct option. 5000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 3. Children, don't get confused. Check all the options properly. Okay. Next question is question number 5. The successor of 9009 is. Now, usually we get confused in predecessor and successor. Okay. So you have to revise this concept. You have to be clear on this concept. Now successor is what? A number one more than a given number comes just after it is called its successor. Or you can say the after number is called a successor. So children, we have to add 1 to the number so that we can find the successor, which is the after number. So 9009 plus 1 is 9010. Then click on the correct option, which is 9010. Next question is question number 6. The predecessor of 1320 is. Now predecessor is your before number. Okay. What is a number one less than a given number comes just before it is called its predecessor. That means the before number. For finding the before number, we subtract 1. Okay. So 1320 minus 1 is 1319. Right, children? 20 minus 1 is 19. So my answer will be 1319. Click on the correct option. Okay, children? Now, question number 7. The smallest 4-digit number using the digit 9, 0, 8, 2 is. We have to form a smallest 4-digit number using the given digits. Now, children, don't rush. Look at the numbers carefully. We have to form the smallest. How to form the smallest? We have to arrange the given numbers or digits in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is smaller to bigger. Now here you can see 4 digits are given. Which is the smallest one? 0. But can I put 0 in thousands place? No, I cannot. Why? Because if I put 0 in thousands place, I will be forming a 3-digit number. But in my question, they have asked me or asked us to form 4-digit number. Okay. So after that, which is the smallest one? Number 2. So we will write 2 in thousands place. After that, which is the smallest one? 0. So we'll put here 0, the next one in hundreds place. After then, which is the smallest one? 8. Cut 8. You can write here in tens place. And 9 in ones place. Okay. So my correct answer is 2089. Children, all these things you can do it in your rough page. Okay. Don't rush. Go slowly. See how the answers are going to be. Okay. Do we have this option here? Yes, we have that option 2089. So you are going to click on that particular option. Okay, the next type of question is from more than and less than. 200 more than 7824 is. Now, more than. Children, when we hear the word more than, it means it is addition. Okay, more than is addition, less than is subtraction. So we have to add 7824 plus 200. Okay, and we will get our answer. The addition work you can do it in your rough page. See here, I have already added 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So our answer is 8024. Do we have this option 8024? Yes. So my correct, we are going to click on the correct option 8024. Now next one is 1 less than 4000 is. Okay, less than is minus. Okay, what is the before number? Now here they have given only 1 less than, so that is why it is a before number. Okay, so it can be 2 less than, 4 less than, or 50 less than, any number. Okay, you have to subtract that number. Okay, so we will subtract 4000 minus 1. We are going to do this together. If you want, you can also do it with me, children. 0 minus 1 is not possible. We have to borrow from tens place. Again in tens place we have 0. Then in hundreds place also we have 0. So only 1000 place can give us. So we'll borrow from thousands place. 4. From 4 we are going to take 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Here we will cut 0 and we'll write 10. Okay, now this tens can go to 100, so it is cut 10, write here 9, and this will become 10. Now the last 0 in ones place will go to tens place. 10 will give 1, so it will become 9, and here it will become 10. It is normal borrowing. Now so 10 minus 1. Okay, we'll start from ones place. 10 minus 1 is 9. Here in tens place again 9. Hundreds place also 9. And thousands place we'll write 3. I know children, you all know that 1 before 4000 is 3999. But sometimes it may be confusing. So it is better to do the working and be assured that you got the correct answer. Then simple click on the correct option, 3999. Okay, now here is our favorite. Next is rounding off. Okay, 6729 rounded off to nearest 100 is, we have to find the answer. First, let us revise the concept of rounding off. Rounding off to the nearest 100. To round off a number to nearest 100, look at the digit at tens place. This is the first rule. Then, if the digit at tens place is 4 or less, place zeros at tens and ones place. The digit at hundreds place will remain the same. And if the digit at tens place is 5 or more, then place zeros at the tens and ones place, and we have to add 1 at hundreds place. These are the rules for rounding off. This is the question given to us, 6729. We have to round off to nearest 100. Now, as per the rule, the first step, we have to look at the tens place. Okay, tens place we have number 2. Then tens place will become 0. Ones place also will become 0. Hundreds place depends on tens place. Okay, if it is 4 or less than 4, the number doesn't change. As in tens place, the number is less than 4. We have number 2. So the hundreds place number is not going to change. It will be as it is, number 7. And thousands place we are not supposed to touch. It will be also as it is. So my correct answer is 6700. Then click on the correct option. Next question is 8950 rounded off to nearest 1000 is. Now let us revise the concept of rounding off to nearest 1000. For rounding off to nearest 1000, we have to look at the number at hundreds place. Then, if the digit at the hundreds place is 4 or less than 4, then we have to place zeros at hundreds, tens and ones place, and the thousands place number will not change. It will remain as it is. Okay, and if the digit at the hundreds place is 5 or more than 5, then we have to again write zeros at hundreds, tens and ones place, and we have to add 1 to the digit at thousands place. This is our question 8950. Okay, children, for this, because we are rounding off to thousands place, we have to look at the number at hundreds place. Okay, hundreds place number will become 0, tens place number will become 0, ones place number also will become 0. Now thousands place number will change or will not change, depends on hundreds place. As you can see, in hundreds place we have number 9, which is more than 5. So what we have to do? We have to add 1 at thousands place. 8 plus 1 is 9. So my correct answer is 9,000. Let us check our options. Yes, we have 9,000. So you have to click on 9,000. Children, now there are few questions I have put here for your practice. You are going to find out the correct answer. Okay? See children, these are similar type of questions, okay, from your textbook exercises. Just go through it and try to find out the correct answer. Children, go through all the textbook questions. This type of questions will be asked in your exam. Okay, practice well. Practice is very important. Practice this type of questions. Thank you children.